are a few tips for RV Life Trip Wizard. Did you know about these features? Let's find out together. RV Life Trip Wizard makes it easy to plan RV safe routes. Using a basic web browser, you're able to locate over 20,000 campgrounds with real reviews and over 57,000 points of interest, including fueling stations. Save time planning your next trip with RV Life Trip Wizard by scanning the QR code on the screen or click my affiliate link in the description box of this video. Plus, save 25% off your first year subscription and lock your rate. Thank you, RV Life Trip Wizard, for sponsoring this video. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Let's get started with our first feature, round trip options. This can often be a very overlooked feature, but when you travel, most of the time you have to come back. So in Trip Wizard, under your trip, you want to click round trip options. This will allow you to go back to the start, visiting every stop prior in order, or a direct route back to your starting point. And by selecting one of these options, it will calculate fuel mileage and time. Our next feature is viewing a parks list. Trip Wizard has quite a bit of information, and it can often be a little overwhelming when you start looking into areas that contain a lot of places to visit. But using the parks list under research, when you zoom in, it will show you the parks that are in that area. And as you move the map, the parks list will change and show you what is in that area that you are viewing. This is just a handy way to filter the results without being too overwhelmed. And the final feature for this video, sharing your trip. Did you know that you have the ability to export and share your trip with others? Just click the wrench under the trip planner and scroll down. You will see print trip details, export trip, and share trip. From here, you have the ability to print your details. You can even export it to a GPS or a calendar. You can also send your itinerary to your friends. And in this screen at the bottom, you're also able to delete your trip. Well, I believe that's going to wrap it up for this video, and if you got any value out of it, please smash that like and subscribe button, comment down below. Let me know what you think about these features. Thank you for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.